Welcome back. The holidays are a wonderful time, but they can also come with a bit of family drama. Joining us today with tips for avoiding a real-life family feud is our legal expert, Danielle Mayoras. And so tell us, Danielle, give us the tips. Where should people start when trying to, alleviate or mitigate any kind of family drama during the holidays?
I think the first thing is to be aware of what I call the danger zones. So there's certain things we see with families that kind of make it more prone to family fighting. One is those second and third marriages, sometimes fourth and fifth nowadays, any sibling rivalry, and then also if someone has competency issues. So what I mean is like dementia or health issues.
Okay, that's a good point. Plus, I would assume politics has to be on that list too, right?
Yes, but from the legal perspective, maybe not something that we see fighting in court over, but that definitely creates a lot of tension and drama and can heighten situations.
Definitely, for sure. Okay, you also recommend putting it in writing. Can you expand on that?
As an attorney, of course, it has to be in writing. So many people I'm sure you've run into, they're like, oh, I told everyone what I wanted. I don't have to worry about it. Everyone just knows. And even though that sounds good, by law, that doesn't hold up in court 99% of the time. So if someone really wants their wishes followed, it's not enough to tell family members and friends what they want. They really need to do the proper planning and get it in writing with an attorney.
Okay, that's great advice for sure. Be on your guard. What does that mean exactly?
This is one I think everyone can relate to. It's everyone who says, I never thought this would happen to my family. There's so many families I see and they're like, oh, all of our kids get along great, or my spouse and my kids, everything's perfect. I don't have to worry about any fighting. But unfortunately, we need to plan for the worst and hope for the best, because even families who get along really well, if there's a health issue or someone passes away, tensions can rise and family dynamics can change. So be prepared and do the planning.
Okay, awesome. So you've got two more tips on here: avoid secrecy and address any concerns. If you can really quickly go over those.
Secrecy, open communication if someone's acting as executor trustee or helping mom and dad with medical or financial decisions. If you don't communicate, it breeds distrust. And then as far as addressing your concerns, I think it's really important for people to understand if you have a family concern, don't necessarily go to your estate planning attorney. You actually need to work with someone who does probate litigation. And I'm blessed that I have two amazing partners who specialize in that, because they're the people you want representing you and giving you that expertise and advice that you need.
Okay, wow. A lot of good advice here. And
Thank you, Veronica.
Thank you, Danielle, for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.